these T codes as an end user for the testing. So do one thing, go to selection, now go to in SAP menu, we will go to logistics. In logistics, we will go to materials management. In materials management, go to purchasing. In purchasing, go to purchase requisition. First one is the key MA51M. That is the T code. Now run one more screen, Control plus N. Okay. MM60. As per the plan GA31, we have only one material. Okay, no problem. That is 90050. 90050. That material we can maintain here 90050. Okay. Now run MKVG and find for the vendors. As per the purchasing organization ZA51. So vendors 74x0301 is available. Okay, 74x0301. Now, so here, if you see the scenario, first field is relating to the document type. Document type. So we created one document type ZANB by the name ZA Purchase Requisition. Now go to header. In header, we can maintain the text. This purchase requisition is created for urgent basis. When we have any requirement to maintain the text, we can maintain it over here. Now collapse it down. Go to item data here. Go to second one, item overview. So what is the first thing? Item of requisition. First is 10. Second would be 20, 30, 40. Account assignment category will be needed later on. So at that point of time, we will discuss. Item category can be selected from here. And for standard, we don't select any. So that is black. So if we are not taking any item category, it means we are creating that purchase requisition for the standard. Now maintain the material. We have already maintained that. See, 900503. After enter, go to quantity. How many quantities? 500. After comma, all the decimal points are there. Now, what is the message? Enter plant. Okay. So plant is ZA31. Now, sort text. Material 1 SS. Unit of measure each. Delivery date. We can maintain. We can maintain the delivery date after 3 days. So it is, today is 27th. 30. Material group is material master. Purchasing group from the material master. Storage location we can maintain here. ZA41. Okay. We can check the whole item. By pressing tab, we can move further. Who is the requisitioner? So I'm taking your name, Srinivas. Any desired vendor? No. Any fixed vendor? No. Purchasing organization? ZF51. Any agreement? No. Any other detail? No. Now, collapse it down one by one. Go to item detail. Go to material data. This is the material number. This is the sort text. How many quantities? 500. Delivery date would be 30. Request date is the tomorrow's date because today is tomorrow's date. Why? Request date. Okay. Now I will tell you the meaning. Valuation. What is the price? 100 rupees. I did not maintain the price anywhere in the item overview or header, but system is taking that price from the material master itself. PO price, no problem. Source of supply. So if you have any vendor available, you can maintain. So I'm maintaining the first one, 7 4 times 0, 301. 7 4 times 0, 301. Okay. Is there any change in the order unit? No. Status will be updated later on. Contact person. Srinivas is the contact person. Any other text as per the item? Yeah. Handle that material carefully. Wait. Handle that material carefully with the instructions mentioned in the manual. Okay. Moving for the delivery address. So title Mr. ZA Manufacturing Unit 1 means our purchasing company. So try to check the document. No message issued, we can save. So purchase requisition created. So system took one number by itself. We can do one thing. We can click on the document overview one. Click here. And there is one thing. My purchase requisitions. See, my purchase requisition. Click one time. One item will be there. Yeah. Document overview. Go back side. Now go to display. Not display the purchase requisition, but list displays. ME5. So if I mention the plan and execute, say one purchase requisition is available. Now I would like to create one more purchase requisition. So select that and I would like to maintain the number also. Number also. So 4 times 0, 201. Go to header, no information, item overview, maintain that material one more time. Do you remember that material? If not, then do one thing. One more screen. MM60. Plant is okay. Now 900503. 900503. Quantity 250. Plant YA30. Sorry, GA31. GA41. Okay. Yes, delivery date can be met. So number can also be taken by the system when we provide it here in the number field. So that is all about purchase requisition. The manual creation. When we create any purchase requisition manually, so we do one thing. We mention all the details manually. Okay. As per the hierarchy, the next topic is the RFQ, request for quotation and quotation. But to start with that topic, there is one prerequisite. There is one kind of requirement. What is the prerequisites before going to RFQ and purchase order view? So there is one thing, conditions. Conditions, and we call it pricing procedure. Pricing procedure. So if you see the scenario in any RFQ, in any purchase order, what do we find? We will find the material, its quantity. So any item or any material per item, we can call it, has one price. That price can be its material price, means the actual cost of the material. Now, there is one kind of discount always. The discount can be one absolute or one percentage wise. If there is any rebate, that can be maintained. If there is any kind of I, I can call it transportation cost. If there is any VAT or any excise duty, tax I will not take here because tax is completely different procedure. After that, there will be tax procedure, and that I will take in before the invoice verification. So my intention is very simple. There are many types of prices. We can call them conditions. To maintain all the conditions, we have conditions or pricing procedures. So if we would like to go to RFQ, purchase order, then contract, obviously then scheduling agreements. Combinedly, we can call them external purchasing documents. What we can call them? External purchasing documents. So we have one thing, we have to maintain the pricing procedures. So material price can be one gross price. Gross price. For example, the gross price GP of material is rupee 500. Now there is one of discount. Discount is 2%. 2% means 10 rupees. So what is that? 490 net price, NP. So net price is the one which is calculated after calculating all the conditions. So in the purchasing itself, where do we find the purchasing? We find the purchasing through SPRO, IMG, materials management, then purchasing directly go to conditions. Conditions. Now, there is one procedure. For example, there is one procedure. So that procedure will be assigned one dummy object, that is the schema group. Schema group. So schema group is one kind of dummy object. One for the supplier and one for the purchasing organization. Supplier will be assigned to any purchase order, any RFQ, any contract, and purchasing organization will be assigned to what? Same purchase order. So there is one connection. So when we are creating any purchase order or any external documents by using one supplier or one purchasing organization, one procedure will be hit. One procedure will be hit on the HANA server. Now see, where to go? Go to SPRO, then go to reference IMG, then go to materials management, purchasing. In purchasing, go to conditions. Directly to conditions. In conditions, go to define price determination process. So first go to define access sequence. So what is access sequence? Just see. Press F1. With the access sequence, we can define the condition tables used to access the condition records. If we are going to create any condition, it will be created through one condition table. Condition table can be created through one access sequence. Very simple thing. Now select any access sequence and go to access. Go to fields. We are not maintaining any field. So yes, go ahead. Go to back. So from here, from the access sequence, we can take any access sequence into the scenario. So for the metal price, wait for a minute. Second, go to define condition types. Set pricing condition types for the purchasing. And just observe the data. Now look at the different conditions. A001 rebate, material rebate, hierarchy rebate, discount percentage for ABC. These are all customized, created by the naive users or the new users. We can go downside. What do we find?